So I was just doing Instagram Live, and I stopped it because that was my first time doing Instagram Live, and I don't really know if it lets you save the video or like if it disappears after you live for a while. Don't laugh at me because I did major in marketing, all right, but wasn't social media marketing. I'm pretty good at social media marketing, but you know, uh, I don't know how that feature works. But anyway, so I'm back. So what I was talking about was I just got done having coffee. I'm at Starbucks in Malden. And I just got done having coffee with an investor partner of mine. And we haven't actually done any deals together. We do some little bit of real estate together. But he is looking to buy into the franchise that I currently own one of, and he's looking at getting one of those. So anyway, we were talking about some of the things in the property management world and some things that you come up with in dealing with vendors. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Since it is a rainy day, I know there's a lot of people that are off. I know some strong people that are still working. I know it sucks in this industry when it rains, especially for this particular project that I'm working on, because there's no roof, right? So there's nothing stopping the rain from literally falling on people while they are working anywhere in the house. But you're just ripping up floors, so it shouldn't really be a problem. But for some, it may be. So anyway, my point is, you want to be safe. Remember that, from raindrops. My point is, I want to talk about vendors and vendor relationships. All right, you gotta be careful out here when you're getting in this industry, dealing with real estate, dealing with people in this business. Just be careful. People will try to snake you. They'll try to stab you in the back. They'll definitely talk behind your back, which is great if you're strong and you can handle it. Just got a text. It's okay. Let's see what else. And you want to make sure that you're building relationships. Keep the friendships out of it. And guys, I'm going to be honest. Keep the family out of it. All right? Stay away from family and business. I love my family. I love all of you. Watch my videos. Please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube, Concept Legacy Fund. Don't forget, we are about to make a major YouTube push and start putting out some extreme digital content on YouTube. So for all my families and friends, before I make you very mad with my next statement, please subscribe to my YouTube. So thanks. So going back to that statement, yeah, don't do business with family, and be very, very careful if you do. All seriousness, black and white, guys, black and white. All right, put it in the paperwork. I tell you, that's one of the top things I see when deals go bad that involve family. They didn't put it in the paperwork, right? I understand. Way back when gentleman's handshake was actually solid, and that would carry you through a whole agreement, contractual obligation, whatever. Nowadays, guys, you just want to be careful